Sokeni kando kidogo. Sokeni.
Innovators who we are supporting through the innovation ecosystem, and this facility has attained a lead as part of sustainability building. Konza for a local video conference platform that functions as Zoom or Teams, business protection, email hosting, and as of today, we are hosting close to 35,000 government employees within on a secure email. This is what we call the Network Operation Center, or Security Operation Center. So the team here comprises of security engineers and network engineers.
No.
We're building a registration, which is what we're trying to do. Get all government
Excuse me. It's kept by the university. It reminds the university of the commitment they have done. And also, with reference to the charter, an interpretation can be done. Thank you very much.
On behalf of all the stakeholders, long journey to Open University of Kenya. Thank you. Very good. Very good. Congratulations. Yes.
To demonstrate the university
Very good.
society.
Very good. Okay.
I'd like to have the PS. Yes, you can take the presentation.
Niombe tuwe wima kwa wimbo wa taifa wa Jamhuri ya Kenya na wimbo wa Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki.